Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Konprann knot, the Haitian Creole word for understand. So let's understand each other better in 2019. Two ties for this one, both at the left side, both at the belt line. I'm using a skinny tie on top of a wider tie so you can see the contrast. Pattern doesn't matter, color doesn't matter. Let's go ahead and bring this over to the center by folding it in half. Come across like this. We're going to come up and over like this. Now you're going to come and see this right here. Both ties came over. Put your finger in the gap there. We're going to put both ties through there. We're going to do it like this. And we're going to do it like this. There we have that. So you have both ties coming down from underneath like so. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring both of them across, one on each side. Have one go on each side, then I'm going to come around like this, kind of create a diamond look right there. Come across. Do that again. And I'm just going to do it twice. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come and I'm going to bring it through here. The top one. Through here. And I'm going to come down and through like this and then back down that way. Then what I'm going to do with the bottom one, the blue one here, I'm going to come across, do a wreath, bring it down through like that. Do another wreath, and this bottom one over here, come and do it like this, and then just tuck this underneath here, like so. Let me put my collar down. We got a lot going on, but what you want is you kind of want to see those delta layers, and then you want to see the wreath going like that. So there you have that. Let me put my buttons down here. Again, see the picture of this knot on SimmonsEssentials on Instagram and Facebook. I think I've ever mentioned Facebook. I am on Facebook. So there you go, the Konprann knot. Oh, you know, it's time, my friends. You're fearfully wonderfully made. See you in the next video.